Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of BosGame 2 mini PC with AMD Ryzen 5. This mini PC comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 3550H processor that runs up to 3.7 GHz. It has a single 16GB DDR4 RAM laptop sodium memory stick, which means that if you want to increase the output by making it work through both channels, you will have to get another 16GB memory stick. It also comes with a 512GB NVMe SSD. It is capable of connecting three 4K displays, two of them via HDMI, and a RJ45 LAN Ethernet socket. In the back you have one USB-A 2.0 and one USB-A 3.2. In the front you have one Type-C USB and two USB 3.2. Also comes with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. The memory, SSD, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth are all upgradable. You also get Windows 11 Pro, that you can have it licensed to your Microsoft account. So if you decide to upgrade the SSD, you can always install Windows 11 Pro and not lose your license. I purchased this because I wanted a low power consuming PC, as this one consumes max 45 watts, and I wanted to run Windows 11. I will mainly use it for office work, and occasionally play old games like Tropico 6, which by the way it plays better on this little PC than my Xbox One S. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so it seemed like the perfect candidate. I saw that this one was on offer, and with a spec that seemed okay for my requirements. This was delivered the following day, and all packaged very well, inside the box. It is exactly the same size as the new Mac Mini 2024. Very tiny, takes very little room up on my desk. You may use the included VESA bracket to attach the PC to the rear of a monitor. Setting up the PC was easy, but it took about 2 hours to install with the updates. Just to be safe, I did a virus scan, and it was clean. Even though this is not the fastest mini PC, the speed that it runs at does seem like lightning after using my old laptop. BosGame has a webpage with all the drivers and support you may need. On their website there are various downloads, but I guess that you only download them if you need to. Everything worked perfectly. I purchased another 16GB memory stick, and I upgraded the NVMe SSD to a 2TB stick that I was not using anymore. Upgrading was extremely simple and easy. Now this little PC is all beefed up. It runs quietly, and you don't get much hot air coming out of it at all. I'm very pleased with my purchase, and it's definitely good value for the money. I'm really amazed as to how they can fit all the components inside the tiny box. I guess only time will tell as to the longevity of the components. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.